Hello everyone, and welcome to the first episode of our DAX series. Here we will explore the language of Power BI and how it can transform your data analysis capabilities. I'm Shaunik, your host, and today we are diving into the basics of DAX to help you understand its significance in the world of data analytics and Power BI development. So, what is DAX? And what actually exactly is DAX? DAX, short for Data Analysis Expressions, is a powerful formula and querying language used in Power BI, Excel Power Pivot, and SQL Server Analysis Services. It designs to work with tables and columns, enabling users to create custom calculations and aggregations on their data. So, uh, why is DAX important? DAX plays a crucial role in Power BI by allowing users to create calculated columns, measures, and complex calculations. It empowers data analysts and Power BI developers to derive valuable insight from their data and create interactive reports and dashboards. Now let's understand the syntax of DAX. It consists of functions, operators, and data types. Functions are the building blocks of DAX expressions, performing calculation and transformations on data. Operators are used to combine or compare values, while data types define the format of the data. So now in Power BI, DAX interacts with the underlying data model, which consists of table, relationships, and calculated columns. Underlying the relationship is crucial for writing effective DAX expressions and creating meaningful visualizations. To learn more about DAX, uh, To learn more about DAX, we can explore a variety of resources, including articles, tutorials, and books. These resources can help you deepen your understanding of DAX and its applications in real-world scenarios. Now, let's dive into a practical example to demonstrate how DAX works. Suppose we have a sales table with column for product quantity and price. Using DAX, we can create a new measure to calculate total sales by multiplying quantity and price for each product and then summing the results. Here is the DAX expression for calculating total sales. Total sales equal to sum x sales quantity, into sales price. In this expression, we are using the sumX function to iterate over each row in the sales table and calculate the total sales for each row. We reference the sales table as specify the quantity and the price columns to perform the calculation. The asterisk operator multiplies the quantity and price for each row, and sumX then sum up all the individual sales values to give us the total sales for the entire table. We'll see that in details later in our upcoming series videos. So these are the explanation I have already told you. Now, in conclusion, DAX is a powerful language that enables you to unlock the full potential of your data in Power BI. By mastering DAX, you can create dynamic and insightful reports that drive informed decision making. So, thank you for watching this episode of our DAX series. I hope you found it insightful. Tune in next time as we explore basic DAX functions and how you can use them to perform common calculations in Power BI. So stay tuned for more insightful and tips on mastering DAX. Thank you so much.